All right, today I have a VZUG Adora dryer, and I'm going to show you how to use this VZUG Adora dryer. But before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I have this VZUG Adora dryer, and I'm going to show you how to use this. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up the door. As you can see, there are clothes in here. I just put these clothes in here. These are my clothes that I just washed. They're wet, ready to get dried. Now, the first thing you want to do after you load them or right before it is make sure that the filter is clean. Okay, so when using this, so the filter on this right here is right here. Just get a little wet hands and you can just get the lint off of this. Make sure that you get all of the lint from off of the filter because this will allow the dryer to do its thing. Okay, occasionally you have to get the lint off of this and then inside that, read the owner's manual so you know how to do it and get this filter clean right here. Get all of this, clean all of that, and then when you're done, shut that. All right, so you have that clean, and then you're gonna come down here, and you're always gonna wanna make sure that this right here, the lint is, filter is clean down there. Make sure that nothing is caught down here. Clean the filter, clean the lint off of this filter. All right, and once you do that, you kind of put everything back into place. I believe that's magnetized down there. So you make sure the filters are clean. That's first and foremost. Make sure the filters are clean. So after you have that, you go ahead and close the door. Once you have it closed, it should pop on. And if it doesn't, you could press the start button right here and the lights should come on. And then comes up a lot of options right here. All right, now I'm gonna go through it. Right down here is the minute. You can set the minute for timed drying. Now this is duration in minutes, goes from 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 90, 120. And you can make selection and then it brings you to this right here, it goes time drying and it gives you options. All right, so it gives you option easy care, right? Easy care, which is self-explanatory. And then right here you have, if I press this button, it has reverse plus, so it keeps on cycling this direction. Then it takes it back there after some moments, and this enables your clothes to dry without getting tangled as much if it were just going in one direction. All right, and then you also have a delay feature. You can delay this for up to how many hours, okay? And if you want to press one of these, you could go ahead and press OK, whatever time or whatever. But if you want to just get back to zero, you don't want to delay, you want to go ahead and start it, just go to 0. And then you can press OK, or if you want to cancel, press this arrow back, and it goes right here. And then once you made your selections, whatever it be, you can press start, and it starts drying, all right? But we're gonna stop it. Now, say for instance, you want to pause it, you just go ahead and pause it like that. You can continue by doing this, or if you want to cancel, just want to turn that, you just press that and you turn it off. Now it brings you back to the menu right here. And then we have different settings. You have this right here, which has the damp settings. This is like if you want your clothes to be slightly damp when drying. So for instance, you don't want to dry too much. There's an easy care damp. There is the reverse plus. And again, right here is the delay feature. And you just go through the process the same. And then right here is iron or dry feature. Same options if you want to select those. And then you have the normal dry. Remember look what I hit. The normal dry, you just press that. And then you have the options of easy care, reverse plus, and then you have the delay feature if you want that. Now, go back here. And then you have this right here. And there's an extra dry feature. And again, that's of course self-explanatory. Extra dry, easy care option. You also have the reverse plus and the delay feature. All right. So I just pressed this right here. Did you see what I just did? Let me get out of here. I just pressed this button right here and it gives me options of right here. It says standard. I can press standard. It just gives a drying process. It doesn't give me the option of the easy care or reverse, but it does give me delay. I can go ahead and press start if I want to, but let me go back. It has the basket setting where you have a basket program from 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. If you want to, press start if you want to. And then there is an airing. You have an airing option, just air, okay? Nothing more, nothing less, okay? You have this right here. You have the option of reverse plus and then the delay feature if you want. All right, whatever your option is, you make your selection and then you press start and it starts the drying process. To stop it, you can just press that right there, Or sometimes I do this and I'm not supposed to, is just opening the door just like that and close fly out everywhere. All right, and so like when it's done, and that's how you use an Adora by VZUG dryer. Please read your owner's manual. Thanks a lot for watching.